Then here 31 to 40. 31 to 40.
I am number 33 and 37.
33 and 37. 33 says that who picked out one dash from a random selection of 4 and a dash who then tried to identify. So who tried to identify, we have to look for that thing. In number 33, जहां से आपको so it should be third paragraph. Yep. Here, right? When the question says that involved a person acting as a sender, right? उसके बाद who picked out, वो pick क्या करेगा? Who picked out what? Pictures, right? From a random selection. Now dash who can try to identify. Identify कौन करेगा? Would attempt to being the image. Being means to identify or to know the image or recognize. Receiver relaxing in the sealed room. Clear with this? So here the next answer should be receiver.
What about from the line 1982? The results from the first Kent studies were analyzed by one of its pioneers.
Which one you are saying from the line 1982? What does it say? It is talking about results from the first Gensfeld studies were analyzed. One of its pioneers, the American psychologist Charles. But do you think that should be the answer? Because they are talking about the description. Description is done here, right? Experiment ka. This is the experiment name, right? So ऊपर के जो क्वेश्चन में आपको कंटेंट बोला है, ये डिस्क्रिप्शन की कंटेंट है. तो ऑब्वियसली जहां पे आपको ये वाला आंसर मिला है, a person who act as what? So here the answer is person who act as a sender. So it comes here itself, acting as, right? तो ये डिस्क्रिप्शन है, इसलिए इतना लिया है उन्होंने. आपको इसमें से यूज करना था, बिकॉज यहाँ आगे बोला है रिसीवर जो रिलैक्सिंग रूम में होता है. Once this session was over, this person was asked to. This person means what? This is reference of receiver. He is asked to identify out of 4 images that has been used, and these are the similar keywords to what you have in your question. Pictures from a random selection of 4. Getting it?
Yes.
That's how it becomes your answer. Now 34, 35 तो નથી, right? 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40 માંથી શું હતું?
37.
Okay, amount of dash in carrying out the test. So amount of what is being used to carry out the test. What you have written?
Images.
Images?
Yes.
It should be here. Many researchers switched to, give me just a moment. Okay. Why you thought it should be the picture from this? आपने पिक्चर कहाँ से लेकर लिखा है?
Madam, images लगी है एमा next to it such as random selection of images.
Okay, such as random selection of. Okay. Blank के पहले जो कीवर्ड है ना, dash carrying out the test. Who carry out the test हमें वो देखना है. टेस्ट यहाँ पे आपको पढ़ना है You tell me who carry out the test or the task, whatever it is.
Human.
Computers.
Computer to perform. जो आपने ऊपर लिखा. Computers were used for key tasks. Okay. So key tasks such as random selection of images. By minimizing human involvement, the idea was to minimize the risk of flawed result. Okay, जैसे in 1987 result of hundreds of autogens field tests were studied by Honorton in the meta-analysis, a statistical technique for finding the overall result from a set of studies. So though less compelling than before, the outcome was still impressive. So who was doing it? लिमिट क्या किया गया था?
Human involvement.
Limiting the amount of, અહીંયા कीवर्ड अच्छे जो, to limit the amount of what to carry out to test. तो किसकी involvement नहीं ली गई? That was human involvement. બ્લેન્કના પહેલા અને બ્લેન્કના પછી બંને તમે વસ્તુ માર્ક કરો ને તો તમને આન્સર એકચ્યુઅલી મળી જાય, બટ બંને વસ્તુ માર્ક થવી જોઈએ. ગેટિંગ ઇટ? હ્યુમન ઇન્વોલ્વમેન્ટ હોય તો રિસ્ક વધી જતું, એટલે હ્યુમન ઇન્વોલ્વમેન્ટ ઓછું થાય, લિમિટ આ કરી દઈએ તો રિસ્ક ઓછું થઈ જાય. So minimize the risk of flawed result. Okay, anyone with 38, 39 and 40?
No.
No?
No, ma'am.
Done with the reading now? No, any other doubt, right?
No doubt.
Okay, shall we now start with writing task 2? Have you all prepared your notes for writing task 2?
Yes, ma'am.
I would just like to know that what you have prepared, if you can share, please.
Ma'am, I have noted down the points that I can include in body paragraphs.
Okay, so I'll be asking one by one. Let me just write the question first. Okay. I'll note down the question and then I'll note down the points that you all have seen. Okay. And the question is, some people believe that having sport in school, some people believe that having school is a waste of time and resources. Others believe that sports school is not vital part. I hope you all know the meaning of vital. Vital નું મતલબ થયો important. It plays an important role in education. That's what it tries to say. જ્યારે બી તમે આવા ટાઈપના ક્વેશ્ચન સોલ્વ કરો, make sure that you know what part of the question you should be writing, कि किसे आंसर करना है. Here it is discuss both the views and then state your opinion. Definitely when it says discuss both the views, that means it is discussion based essay. So whenever we have a discussion based essay, That doesn't mean you need to state opinion, right? અહીંયા opinion नहीं આવે. So if you all remember, it is 50-50 discussion, એટલે debate કહેવાય basically. So it is 50-50. Wherein you are going to make introduction. So answering the first part, that is discuss both the views. That means I am asked to first discuss both the views. In that case, I need only general information. Now, general information would be given on what? What is the main topic? What is the
main topic is
sports?
Sports or physical education.
Okay. So I'm just writing those keywords. You explain about sports or you explain about physical education, right? Any such thing. Saying that sports plays the most important role in everybody's life, and then talking about the education system has adapted sports in terms of physical education, where they spread knowledge about how sports help them in terms of their career, in terms of their exercise or making their body fit. There are sports are useful in each and every sector. Karine, tame explain kar. Then you will just paraphrase this sentence saying, some people feel that sports is not, there are less benefits of sports, or sports is not benefited as it is a wastage of time and resources, whereas others believe that it is the important part of education. So try to paraphrase it just, that's all. Talking about body 1, which will be starting with body 1 linker, you will be talking 50%. 15% means at least 2 main reasons that you're going to talk on. 2 main reason. એટલે તમે એક પેરેગ્રાફ ની અંદર 50% લખો છો, ડિબેટ જેવું છે તો એક રીઝન ને બહુ લંબાય નહીં. This type of question do come in exam, so make sure that you attempt this question the way I'm teaching you right now. At least 2 main reasons can be talked, because it is a kind of a debate why these people are thinking like this, right? So 2 main reasons on first view. That is, why do they think that it is wastage of time? 2 to 3 आप लिख सकते हो. यहाँ पे आप 3 सोच के रखो तो ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा. Why, I'll tell you later on. Then we have body 2, which would be 50%. Okay. Again, at least we can talk on 2 main reasons, which would be on opposite view. तो अपोजिट व्यू के लिए कॉन्ट्राडिक्टिंग लिंकर यूज किया जाता है. However, on the other hand, here you will make body 3. Why I need to make body 3? Because they are saying and then state your opinion. So when they say પછી opinion state કરવાનું છે, it directly conclusion માં ના જાય, because what is conclusion? Conclusion is something which you have already talked in your paragraph, and you are going to give the kind of overview that in all you are trying to speak this. That is what you call a conclusion. So until and unless you have talked about that particular thing in the paragraph, you cannot conclude it, right? So body 3 would be on opinion. So state opinion on any one, right? अब आपका ओपिनियन है तो आपके ओपिनियन के लिए only one main reason is enough. That's why I said particularly about both the views, think 3 reasons, right? 2 you can use in body 1 and 1 you will be having in spare. So whichever side opinion you take, you have already prepared with the main reason. So you just need to choose it. Yeah, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so one main reason again. Here you can use the term in my opinion, or you can use the term I opine that while writing the paragraph. You will be using this. On any one होना चाहिए, but different reason होना चाहिए. In IELTS, any reason you choose to write, just make sure that it is not repeated. Okay? A different reason. It should not be repeated. Content should be different always. And then comes conclusion. In conclusion, you are going to sum up. Body 1, Body 3 आ जाएगा. एक पैराग्राफ आपका ओपिनियन का है तो उसमें आपने जिस भी स्टैंड लिया है वो आएगा. So it is called as restating opinion. Restate opinion. And at the end, try to give suggestion. Whenever you write suggestion, it should be in general. It should not be kind of what I can say. Opinion जो I suggest કરીને નહીં કરવાનું. તમારું opinion હોય તો I suggest આવે. Or else એવી રીતે નહીં આવે. Right? It can be suggested, or you can use the term be commended. I hope this format is clear to all of you. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now we'll be talking on the points. First view के लिए हमें कितने चाहिए reason? 3 reasons. Okay.
2
When
reasons.
anybody total 3 जो સ્પેર માં રાખવાનું. Body 3 માં જ્યારે state opinion કરો તો એ reason અહીંયા વપરાઈ જશે. તો આ જે discuss both the views and then state your opinion હોય છે, એ કેસમાં it is better to be ready with 3 reasons. Okay. Can anybody tell me the reason now? First reason, why do you think that sports is wastage of time?
One reason can be that students usually play with friends apart from the school hours. So if we include sports in school hours, then it will be repetition of playing activities and it will be wastage of time.
Okay. So you're trying to say that they spend less time in the school. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So you're trying to justify by saying that as they are spending less time in the school, they don't get enough, you can say, active. They don't tend to play that much. They don't involve in that much of activities in schools. They just try to study. Their activities is done when they reach home, or they try to play it with their friends and everything. Yes?
No, ma'am, I'm trying to say that they are already playing with friends apart from school hours. If we also include playing hours or sports in school hours, then the focus on study will be less.
Less. Okay. So
That's
less
why it is not beneficial to add sports in
focus
school hours.
on study. Okay. Less focus on study. If that is my main reason, I would be saying they get diverted.
Yes.
Develops less interest on subjects, or you can use the term study. Might get injured. So due to injuries, they need to take break from the study, right? So all these things affects their result. है ना? दो रीजन लिखने हैं बॉडी पैराग्राफ के अंदर, तो मुझे इतना ज्यादा तो एक्सप्लेन नहीं करना पड़ेगा. So if I talk about the diversion, तो divert कैसे होते हैं? Because they feel like that they need to perform well in sports, they need to win the trophy, they need to win the medal, or they need to win, make their team win. So they get very serious and possessive about these sports due to the team spirit. Okay. Also, this makes them develop less interest on their subject. So they don't spend much time over the subject during their examination or during the subject. They always think about these sports and they try to, try to be better in sports than the subject, overall this affects their result करके. So this is one of the part that you will explain. Second, you said that they play with their friends. એવું કશું કહેતો હતો ને? Second reason.
એટલે મેમ
સ્ટડી થી રિલેટેડ. હા
કહેતો કે
યસ શું કહેતો હતો?
મેમ એ કહેતો કે આઉટસાઇડ સ્કૂલ અવર્સ ઓલરેડી તે રમે છે અને ફરીથી સ્કૂલમાં પણ સ્પોર્ટ્સ હોય.
So it is more
ઇન
forced.
જનરલ જે તમે વાત કરી એ જ.
Yes. So it is more forced. But આપણને બંને ડિફાઇન કરવાનું છે એટલે બંને અલગ કરવા પડશે. So when you say let's focus on study, આ બધા યુઝ કરાશે. હવે any of this we cannot use again as a second reason. તો એને અલગ કેમનું કરવાનું છે? More activity are done at home than school. Right? આ તો ટાઈમ સ્પેન્ડ થી રિલેટેડ લખાય. જસ્ટ મેકિંગ શ્યોર દેટ આ વસ્તુ ઉપરવાળા વસ્તુથી તો મેં ચાલુ જ કમ્પેરિઝન થી કરી. સેકન્ડ મેઇન રીઝન. ફર્ધરમોર કાં તો ઇન એડિશન ટુ as more activities, students do more activities by playing sports or something at home than the school. So if they again do the same thing at the school, doing same thing at school, here now you can talk about exhausted, something આવી રીતે કહેવાય કશું?
યસ.
Yes. And at times they are forced because એના માટે સ્કૂલ માર્કિંગ મૂકે, એક્ઝામિનેશન લે. સો ટાયરિંગ થઈ જાય કે ફોર્સફુલી થઈ જાય કે કમ્પલ્શન સબ્જેક્ટ કરીએ, જે લોકોને ના કરવું હોય તો બી. સો ઇન ટર્મ્સ ઇટ ઇઝ વેસ્ટેજ ઓફ ટાઈમ, as well as you can see that even the resources like sports na the equipments આવે છે for which the parents pay the fees or something. Okay, those resources are waste. Right? So this can be said, one of the things. What else? કશું બીજું idea છે? As you have done the comparison, you can also end it with the comparison saying more time should be spent or more resources should be spent in doing educational activities. જેમ કે competitions થઈ ગયા, right? Science na projects થઈ જાય, right? So you're just trying to give a comparison, right? બીજો point છે કઈ? Third point. Yes, I'm writing 3 points separately.
Ma'am, one point can be that some students are not interested in sports and they feel like they are forced to do these physical activities and they feel embarrassed about it.
Okay, feeling embarrassed. They are forced to do. All right. એને હજુ explain કેવી રીતે કરીશું?
Like some students are not that physically fit to take part in sports and there is a compulsion in schools for the sports activities. So they are not really good at sports. They feel that they will be judged by other students or friends.
Right? demotivation for students who cannot perform sports. Okay? આ ના બી કેવું હોય ને એક સિરિયસ વસ્તુ તમે કહી શકો છો that risk of health, or you can talk about body. Okay, because sports રમતા ટાઈમે એ લોકોને ઇન્જરીઝ થઈ જાય તો અમુક ઇન્જરીઝ એવી હોય, right, kind of a fracture which is very common in sports, cramps, okay, which affects student, right. આ અલગ જ થઈ જાય કારણ કે તમારે ડિમોટિવેશન એ બધું વાત કરવું હોય તો એ એક્ઝોસ્ટ કે ફોર્સ્ડ સાથે બી એક્સપ્લેન કરાય એમ. Anything that you want to bring different as a main reason, you can talk of risk of health or body. આ થઈ શકે કે નહીં?
Yes, ma'am. થઈ શકે.
Right? So this is what you can talk on. આ બી ચાલશે, but just make sure explain કરતા કરતા ઉપરવાળા body paragraph સાથે same ના થઈ જાય. What can be the second reason? That is not second reason, I mean second view के लिए first reason. Sports is good for students. The benefits of sport I can simply. So students physical health માટે
We can write that physical fitness helps learn more effectively.
yes, efficient બને એ લોકો.
They will also learn about team
Team spirit,
teamwork and communication.
leadership, yes, leadership.
Sportsman spirit.
Coach. Yes, team or coaching तो नहीं करे student. Team spirit as in unity, leadership skills કહેવાય. Okay, આ બધા વસ્તુઓ પર વાત થઈ શકે છે. Very good. What else?
Ma'am, body 3 માં એવું લખી શકે કે it can leads to healthy lifestyle. એટલે overall life માં beneficial છે.
And critical thinking. Critical thinking as in કઈ બી સિચ્યુએશન પર રિએક્ટ કેમનું કરવાનું એ બધું શીખી શકે છે. So yes, physical સાથે you can also talk about when it comes to critical thinking that mental health is also taken care. Yes. So these things are talked in second view. The another thing we have, what else is the benefit of sports?
Ma'am, they will learn to know how to deal with failure.
Awareness of importance of health, like importance of sports. It would spread awareness, especially at the very young age. And then yes, learn about failure, dealing with failure or something, right? And learn to handle a same થઈ જશે. બીજું કઈ explanation માટે? Positive habit કહેવાય. Helps them to maintain જે પહેલા તે કીધું હતું, right? Maintain healthy life throughout their age, right? So they don't face any problem, something. એ કહી શકીએ છીએ. આપણે ત્રીજા આમાં લખવું હોય તો કશું રીઝન મળે છે ફોર થર્ડ? એનીથિંગ?
મેમ વ્હાઇટ બોર્ડ લોડ થતા થોડી વાર લાગે છે એટલે તમે લખ્યું એ દેખાતું નથી.
એક મિનિટ. હા, now is it fine? I'll just remove
Yes,
the
ma'am.
question so that I'm removing the question. Now is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Any reason that will not be same with the others what we have written?
Ma'am, we can write that through various studies it is proven that physical fitness helps learn more effectively, so it can overall improve their performance of subjects or study in school.
Okay. If we speak improving of performance of studies, it will contradict to the same thing. We cannot do that. Contradicting the same reason. Contradicting the same reason ના કહેવાય. કારણ કે આપણે ઉપર એવું લખ્યું છે કે સ્પોર્ટ્સના લીધે એ લોકો લોકોના રિઝલ્ટ અફેક્ટ થાય છે. So we cannot contradict the same thing. Even if you use that, how will you explain? Yes. Please think. Anything?
No, ma'am.
No? ઓકે. બીજું કોઈને બી આઈડિયા છે? મળશે, વાર લાગે કઈ વાંધો નહીં. એન્ડ આવી રીતે કઈ સિચ્યુએશન કઈ આવે ને સો ક્લિયરલી તમારું જેનામાં 3 પોઈન્ટ મળતા હોય આ 3 પોઈન્ટ્સ મળી ગયા છે તો તમારું ઓપિનિયન આના ઉપર જ આપી દેવાનું. વી કે નોટ વેસ્ટ ટાઈમ ટુ થિંક ધી થર્ડ રીઝન હિયર. બે તો મળી ગયા છે. ગેટિંગ ઇટ? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. The opinion first view पर जा.
हाँ. So here I can give you a hint. Sports has turned out to be relaxing or a refreshment as the level of competition in studies has increased. So students are overburdened. So થોડું time કે sessions sports નું થાય, it becomes relaxing for them. હવે ખબર પડી? આની એક વાત થઈ શકે છે. અહીંયા risk of health by playing sports છે. but this is about their competition or those things like compete. ये लोग को compete करे जा रहे level of refreshment. Okay, so you can say the statement itself can say that nowadays, as there are lots of competition in the field of study, students are overburdened from their starting age only. They are given lots of homework, lots of project to do, right? Not all these students, they have a desire to become a, engineer or a doctor or any such thing. They might feel like doing other recreational activities, such as they want to become a dancer, a person wants to become a sports, right? So this is more justificable that they get a platform to learn those things. Khabar padi? Everyone? So I just gave you a hint on the other reason. This can be taught.
Yes, ma'am.
Not all students want to succeed. Sorry, in by becoming doctor also want. Clear? Now, when you write on this opinion, pick any one of this, whichever stand you want to take. This is only one main reason. Do not forget to write example. Just I'm writing example at the end. Link lakhi rakhu chu so that you directly use it. Make sure example you give it on the second reason because cohesion coherence maintained રહેવું જોઈએ એમાં. Body 3 માં ભી example આપજો. I have written here one main reason. Yes.
मैम कोई example explain करो केवा टाइपનું લખી શકો.
Example should be fact or it can be based on general. If I talk about here, body 3 mate example, when I say that not all these students want to become a doctor or engineer, I can give the example of famous cricketer. Kapil Dev, he have not studied much, but he put his career or his efforts of becoming a famous cricketer. So you can say the same way he has become an inspiration to all such students, those who cannot, afford to study or become a doctor, but they pursue their career in sports. So you can talk one of the example talking on fact or general statement of only 1 or 2 sentences. That's all. Clear?
मैम ત્રણેય બોડી પેરેગ્રાફમાં લખવાનો ને એક્ઝામ્પલ.
ત્રણેય બોડી પેરેગ્રાફમાં એક એક્ઝામ્પલ આપી દેવાનું based on last. If I'm talking about last reason, if I'm talking about this, because આ હું છેલ્લે વાંચીશ તો જ્યારે હું એક્ઝામ્પલ વાંચું મને લાસ્ટ રીઝન થી જલ્દી કનેક્ટ થશે. So હું સિમ્પલી આમાં ઇન્સ્ટન્સ કરીને લખી શકું છું that 80% of the children are forced to perform these sports as they have the credit or scores which takes more time and they cannot concentrate on studies કરીને એવું કરશો. Or where the results are affected, where more people are involved in playing sports. So જે તમે ઉપર વાત કરી છે એના જ ઉપર તમારે એક એક્ઝામ્પલ બનાવીને લખી દેવાનું. ક્લિયર થયું હવે?
Yes.
Okay. So just make sure that you write all the things properly. Do not forget. ત્રણે ત્રણ બોડી પેરેગ્રાફમાં તમારા રીઝન આવા જ જોઈએ. ઓકે. Elaborate each reason. લખી દઉં છું so that one example based on last reason. Similarly, do for the next one, the first one. I hope it is done. Please take a photo or something so that you can follow. બીજું કઈ ડાઉટ છે હવે? Anyone?
બેન જે આપણું ઓપિનિયન છે એના રિલેટેડ જ આપણે સજેશન આપવાનું ને કન્ક્લુઝનમાં.
हाँ, anything is fine, but related to the topic or the opinion what you have given.
ઓકે.
एक suggestion that sports should it is suggested a general હોય, opinion જેવું ના હોય. Suggestions હું આપવાનું. Sports should be played in limited terms where it should be seen that it is not affected, or you can say it is the role of parents as well as the educational institute that sports are not hampering the study of students, as the study will help the country to grow more if the person is educated. Karina. Yeah. If you're taking the stand on first view, if you're taking this stand on second view, so you can talk about in that way. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have discussed the question first, that is the views first, and then you have stated your opinion. So this is how you're going to write your essay, and આ ટાઈપનું essay questions વધારે પૂછાય છે એક્ઝામમાં. એક discuss both the views વાળો, advantage and disadvantage, and opinion based questions જે હોય છે એ. ઓકે, તો આ દર વખત યાદ રાખવાનું. Any other doubt? Anything that you all want to ask?
મેમ જો IELTS નો પેન એન્ડ પેપર બેઝ ટેસ્ટ હોય તો એમાં રીડિંગ આપણને પ્રિન્ટેડ ફોર્મમાં મળે છે કે કોમ્પ્યુટર પર વાંચવાનું છે?
પ્રિન્ટેડ બધું પ્રિન્ટેડ મળશે.
અને જો કોમ્પ્યુટર ફોર્મેટમાં હશે તો ટાઈપ કરવાનું આવશે ને?
ટાઈપ કરવામાં આવશે ને, એ પ્રિન્ટેડ ફોર્મમાં હોય છે. પ્રિન્ટેડ એટલે બાજુના ટેબ હોય છે. ઓકે, એવું કરવું હોય ને, એક્સપિરિયન્સ કરવું હોય ને, તો બ્રિટિશ IDP માં એક મોક ટેસ્ટ જેવું આવે છે. ઘણા બધા સાઇટ્સ પર આવે છે. તો એમાં તમને ખ્યાલ આવી જશે. લિસનિંગ એન્ડ રીડિંગ માટે તમે લઈ શકો છો ફોર ફ્રી. સો એમાં બસ તમે જઈને કોઈ બી સાઇટ પર એવું કમ્પ્યુટર બેઝ ટેસ્ટ કરો ને, એટલે તમારે બાજુમાં સ્ક્રોલ અપ ડાઉન હોય, અહીં પેસેજ ચાલતું હોય, એન્ડ રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડમાં તમને ક્વેશ્ચન્સ દેખાતા હોય. એવી રીતે કરવાનું છે. ઓકે, કશું બીજું પૂછવાનું છે?
નો મેમ.
No, that's all. કઈ નહીં દેવાંશ, the doubt is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what about 19 CP 307? Screenshot લઈ લીધું બધાએ?
Yes, ma'am. લઈ લીધા.
યસ મેમ.
Okay, fine. So in that case, if you want to start writing, start. I'll make sure कि Monday સાંજ સુધી હું તમને તમારું task correction કરીને submit કરી દઉં. All right. So I can now end this session. કશું પૂછવાનું છે તો તમે હમણાં પૂછી લો, કઈ વાંધો નથી. I'll wait. હા, નહીં આવા જાય. What you're saying એવું હશે તો chat box માં લખી દે, કઈ વાંધો
Ma'am,
નહીં.
Test.
ટેસ્ટ?
Yes.
ઓકે, ટેસ્ટ કરવી છે નેક્સ્ટ વીકેન્ડ કરું ટેસ્ટ?
એમ તો એમાં ચારે મોડ્યુલ્સ કરવાનું કે પછી
Okay. What I have an idea is Sunday basically there is an electrical issue. So Sunday what I can do is who group ma tamaru test badu muki do, that is listening, reading and writing. Listening reading na answers હું સાંજે 5 o'clock સુધી શેર કરી દઈશ. એના પહેલા તમે listening reading હશે તો હું Google form prepare કરું છું જેમાં જાતે જ correct થઈ જાય બધું. But એ ના બને તો I just write the answers and I'll post it at 5 o'clock. So you can check listening reading and પછી મને writing submit કરી દેજો, સાંજે mail કરી દેજો. એમાં listening reading ના scores mention કરીને. So Saturday હું શું કરીશ? There is no problem of electric things. So Saturday શું કરવામાં આવશે? Listening, reading, writing and speaking. દરેક મોડ્યુલ હું Saturday બતાવી દઉં. તો એમાં જે સ્પીકિંગ લઈશ ને, that would be your test વાળા સ્પીકિંગ. એવું કરવું છે? So that speaking score you can mention it on Sunday when you are doing your FLT. ऐसा करना है?
મેમ સ્પીકિંગ માટે હજી એટલો કોન્ફિડન્ટ નથી.
પર આ કઈ હું ઘરે મોકલવાની છું રિઝલ્ટ. ટ્રાય કરવાનું એમ કહું છું. આ વીક જે છે એમાં પ્રિપેર કરી રાખું. ટ્રાય તો કરો. ઓનલી સ્પીકિંગ યુ વિલ ઓલ્સો કમ ટુ નો અબાઉટ લિસનિંગ, રીડિંગ એન્ડ રાઇટિંગ કા સ્કોર્સ. તો એમાં બી ખબર પડે કે કેટલી મહેનત કરવાની છે આગળ. So if you all agree, I'll do the arrangements in the weekdays because I'll be having weekdays to arrange such things.
ઓકે મેમ.
Devansh is okay. Speaking માટે બીતા નહીં. 1 by 1 I'll conduct your speaking. તમારે speaking skip भी કરવા છે તો you do want to give the test of listening, reading and writing at least.
યસ મેમ, એટલે હું સ્લો સ્પીકિંગ અટેન્ડ કરીશ પણ સ્કોર મારે લિસનિંગ, રીડિંગ, રાઇટિંગનો કન્સિડર કરવો છે.
Okay, વાંધો નહીં. એવું હશે તો when I will take this session on Saturday, I will take listening, reading, writing task 1 and task 2 first. Okay, so that you people write it. And at the end, I'll take with speaking. Okay, Sunday I'll post listening, reading, writing. હું બધું arrange કરીને એક message મૂકી દઈશ. It's not compulsory whatever you want to attend, but at least Sunday if you people are ready for test, I can upload it in that way. Either I will create a Google form which will be having automatic marking, or I'll be creating directly the test and I'll be sending it in the group. So are you ready for the test M? At least for the rest of the modules. Devansh's confirmation I give. I want the rest of the confirmations.
યસ મેમ, LRW માટે ટેસ્ટ આપી, સ્પીકિંગ
Okay.
માટે હજી પછી.
કઈ વાંધો નહીં. Next 19 CP 307 confirm.
Yes, ma'am, confirm.
Okay, fine, not an issue. So chalo એ પ્રમાણે હું adjust કરી દઈશ and I'll try to post it and inform you how the things would be carried. ચાલશે ને Saturday all the modules together?
યસ મેમ.
Okay, fine. Chalo, thank you. Let me just think. I'll arrange and I'll let you know કેવું કરવાનું છે. ઠીક છે?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you everyone. Yeah, bye.
થેન્ક યુ મેમ.
Yes, bye.